Hello everyone, thanks for watching. This is an example of how loud my apartment mining operation is. I'm in the next room over where I sleep. I'm going to walk into my mining room just so you can hear the difference in noise. All right, I'm standing outside the room now. The door is open. There are two box fans blowing at me. And now I am standing next to the mining operation. I'll go ahead and show you that. Just there we go. You can see there we go here. We're running full power, 12 amps times 2 for 24 amps. There's the operation. And that's really it. At night, I crack both doors about 6 inches to let air flow, and I don't really notice the fans when I'm sleeping. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.